Today, we will be taking a virtual field trip of Bright Zoo. Every year at the end of the year, pre-K class goes to visit Bright Zoo on a field trip. But today, we are going to take a look at the things that we are going to see while we are at Bright Zoo. There are lots of animals to see, and as you see in our video, there are many barns that the animals live in. We will see things such as monkeys and birds and reptiles and zebras and giraffes and camels and llamas and goats, things that you might have never seen before, and some things like goats that they have on farms. We will also be able to feed the giraffes, and we will also be able to feed the goats. Now, we have to make sure that we behave when we go to our field trip. As you can see, there are sidewalks all around Bright Zoo. Have to remember that we are required to walk on those sidewalks as we view the animals. And required means we have to do it. It's one of the rules, just like we have rules here at school. You can see we're feeding giraffes in some of these pictures. We have to wait in line to be able to feed these giraffes and take turns. There we can see we can feed goats as well. They really like to eat. We will also be able to take lots of pictures and see many different types of animals. Our favorite thing that we like to do is to feed the giraffes. Now you can see how we'll see zebras. You can also read about zebras in the library, read about giraffes in the library. You can also read about the spider monkeys in the library. So we will look at books and our virtual field trip before we take a trip to Bright Zoo at the end of the year.